Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram OTP not received. Alright, let's begin. First, open your phone settings, scroll down and go to Apps. Use the search bar to find and open Telegram. Tap Permissions, then select Phone. Make sure the permission is set to Allow so Telegram can access the required phone features. Next, go back and open Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. Then tap Clear Data to reset the app and refresh its settings. This can help resolve problems with receiving verification codes. After that, open the Play Store and search for Telegram. If an update is available, install it immediately. Running the latest version helps fix bugs and improves app performance. Also, make sure you have a good internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That's it for this video. Thanks.